No, yeah. There.
Okay. This one of the one bedrooms.
No, this is two.
Okay.
This is two.
Yeah. The easiest way to figure it out is all the ones, they have the laundry closet, like in this order.
Okay.
The twos have the really nice laundry room in
Gotcha.
the hallway. But you know, all the kitchens are the same. You know, water heater, and furnace closets are all the same. And we got a first bedroom here.
Okay.
And this is the color, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because what we did is agreeable gray, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. That's what we do for all of our.
Yeah, Sherwin-Williams finest.
Yeah, it's just easy, touch up. I mean, we literally, anytime we have any other owner, just of a single family home, they're like, hey, we need to get it repainted, we're like, agreeable gray.
Okay. Are you guys changing out the hardware?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think those are all getting silver.
Yep. Yep.
And all these are being replaced, all these are going white.
Okay. Yep.
All the light fixtures being changed. That's being changed.
Okay.
So then this one, you know, we call this one the master. It's just got the walk-in closet, bigger room than the other one.
Okay.
And then you got the panel behind the door here. Right here.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's huge.
Oh, it sure is.
Yeah, that's what people
Yeah.
talk about a
Just
lot.
space.
Is that they're like the laundry room is a game changer. And then bathrooms are all the same in terms of the ones and the twos. Same setup, same fixtures. So what we're doing is we're doing the countertops, that epoxy,
Yep.
same as we're doing in the kitchen, painting the cabinets, and glazing the tub if necessary.
Gotcha.
Now I think we put in
New.
the kit, you know, the toilet paper holder, towel rack.
Are we?
I think we added that on there. I know we added a light fixture.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
the new light fixtures going in there.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely the racks too, because they were all rusted.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
But yeah, so this is, I mean, I can't, what'd you say? Toxic, when did y'all start on this?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, so I mean, they already ripped up all the carpet, already got started painting.
Yeah. Because that's Wednesday, because we finished up, had to finish up chisel real quick. Monday, yeah. Yesterday, yeah.
Yeah. And then pretty much what we've been doing is going on apartment by apartment with appliances.
Gotcha.
Pretty much just getting the power on.
So what do I need to do with these appliances?
I mean, if they don't work, I mean, the fridge potentially could work. It looks okay just from looking at it. I mean, stove, this one's pretty. I mean, you never know. I mean, these things will clean up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So if
What's the pans?
yeah, when you get new drip pans and clean this up, I mean that's just grease that'll
Yeah.
clean off. But you know, if they don't work,
I'll let you
then
know.
because a lot of times what we've been doing is what I was talking with Reggie about. There's a used appliance place here in town
Yep.
called Harold's.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what you yeah.
I'm
a
all
lot-
for that.
Yeah, a lot of times we've been doing that and just have because Harold's loves it because they'll come take that.
Yeah.
They'll fix it.
Let me sell it.
Yeah, so this one had, how many, probably like 3 or 4 of these panes were shattered.
Okay.
So what Boston did is he cleaned them all out, ordered a new, just instead of having to replace the whole door.
Yep, go
he-
back.
Yeah, he's got a guy,
New pane.
this whole thing, this piece will come out. So then you come in with a whole full new
nice.
piece of glass, put this back, saves us over $500.
Oh yeah.
Well, that door right there with the grids, you're looking at about $900 just in the door. That's what we got one over here we're fixing.
Gotcha.
I'm like, man, there's no reason spending that kind of money. I mean, all we
Yeah,
gotta do
to hang a new one.
I mean, all we gotta do is put a sleeve on it,
Yeah.
and rock and roll.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
And that one there, I was like, man, we just put a new piece of glass in it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, because besides that, the door's fine.